In last week's video, we looked at singular Italian nouns and definite articles. In today's video, part 2, we are going to focus on plural feminine and masculine nouns and plural definite articles. Let's first look at how to convert masculine nouns from singular to plural. As a general rule, most masculine nouns ending in O in the singular end in I in the plural. So, for example, the plural of albero, gatto, libro is alberi, gatti, libri. However, this rule does not apply to nouns ending in io, where O is preceded by stressed I. In this case, the ending for the plural is double I. So, words like zio, pendio, rinvio, in the plural become zii, pendii, rinvii. Masculine nouns ending in e, including those belonging to the subcategories we've seen in part 1, end in I in the plural. So, padre, colore, pallone, giornale, fossile, for example, become padri, colori, palloni, giornali, fossili in the plural. The plural ending of masculine nouns ending in a in the singular is I. So words like diploma and problema become diplomi and problemi in the plural. Italian singular masculine nouns ending with an accented vowel, a consonant, or nouns that are monosyllabic do not change in the plural. So words like caffè, papà, sport, bar, test, re, sci, and new maintain the same form in the plural. Then we have two groups of nouns ending in co or go in the singular. The nouns in the first group are stressed on the third syllable before the last, like for example medico or asparago, whereas the nouns in the second group are stressed on the penultimate syllable, the second to last syllable, like for example buco or spago. As for the plural, the nouns in the first group end in ci or g, like medici or asparagi, whereas the nouns in the second group end in chi or gi, like buchi or spaghi. Please bear in mind that the rule for the plural of masculine nouns ending in co or go is not valid all the time. In fact, there are many exceptions to this rule. I'm not including them here because I'm already introducing quite a lot of rules and I feel that would overcomplicate things for you at this stage. But if you come across a word which is masculine, ends in co or go, and does not behave as you would expect in the plural, that is because it is an exception. Let's now look at how feminine nouns change from singular to plural. Feminine nouns ending in a in the singular end in e in the plural. So pianta, palla, farmacia become piante, palle, farmacie in the plural. Nouns ending in e in the singular end in I in the plural. So madre and lezione become madri and lezioni in the plural. Italian feminine nouns ending in ie, in accented ta or tu, in I or in o, do not change in the plural. So words like serie, specie, città, virtù, crisi, analisi, tesi, radio, foto maintain the same form in the plural. Feminine nouns ending in ca or ga in the singular and in che or ge in the plural. So amica and alga become amiche and alghe in the plural. And then we have two groups of feminine nouns ending in cha or ja. In the nouns belonging to the first group, cha or ja are preceded by a consonant, for example arancia and spiaggia. In the nouns belonging to the second group, cha or ja are preceded by a vowel, for example camicia and valigia. Moving on to the plurals, the nouns with a consonant plus cha or ja in the singular end in ce or ge in the plural. For example, arance and spiagge, whereas the nouns ending with a vowel plus cha or ja in the singular end in ce or ge in the plural. For example, camice and valigie. Here the difference is just in the spelling, as the plural endings of both groups of nouns are pronounced in the same way. A word about irregular plurals now. There are different types of irregular plural in Italian. We have nouns with irregular endings, like the feminine noun mano, which becomes mani in the plural, but still keeps its feminine grammatical gender. We have cases in which different words are used for the singular and the plural, as is the case with uomo and uomini. We have nouns that, when changing from singular to plural, also change their grammatical gender. For example, the singular masculine noun uovo becomes feminine uova in the plural. Similarly, the singular feminine noun eco becomes masculine eki in the plural. And then we have nouns that can have two different plurals with different grammatical gender and meaning, as is the case with the word membro, which has a masculine plural, membri, meaning members, but also a feminine plural, membra, meaning limbs. Now pause the video, convert the singular nouns into plural nouns, then resume the video to check the answers. Whereas in English definite article the is used before both singular and plural nouns, in Italian we have three plural definite articles: I, gli, le. Let's see how they are used with masculine and feminine Italian nouns. We use I in front of plural masculine nouns starting with a consonant, as in I padri or I giornali. And we use gli in front of plural masculine nouns starting with either a vowel, as in gli alberi, or with x, y, z, s plus consonant, ps, pn, gn. Here are some examples: gli yogurt, gli zii, gli sci, gli psicologi, gli gnu. We use definite article le in front of plural feminine nouns starting with either a consonant, as in le piante, or a vowel, as in le amiche. Now pause the video, convert the singular definite articles and nouns into plural, then resume the video to check the answers. And that's all for this lesson. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Grazie e arrivederci!